In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 5 terabyte lifetime OneDrive cloud storage. Now let me start by saying right up front, there isn't an official way to secure 5 terabyte of lifetime OneDrive storage for free. This can be a bit of a stumbling block if free is your goal, but don't worry. We will explore some practical ways to acquire this storage. It's important to recognize that Microsoft reserves these large storage allocations for specific scenarios, typically within their business-oriented plans or under certain promotions and trials. First, for personal use, Microsoft offers extra storage through their upgrade options. The idea is to purchase a more accommodating storage plan via a business subscription or a limited time trial that they sometimes offer. As you might expect, in order to get that hefty 5 terabyte of OneDrive storage, upgrading is the way forward. One practical option is the Microsoft 365 Family Plan. While it doesn't provide a full 5 terabyte for an individual user, it does offer a combined total of 6 terabyte split among up to 6 users. Each user is allocated 1 terabyte of storage. This might just be the right balance for a family or a small group of friends or colleagues who are comfortable sharing the cost, which is either billed annually or monthly. When it comes to businesses, the story takes an interesting turn. Businesses have access to plans like the Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 subscriptions. These plans can be set up by an administrator to cater to more significant storage needs, providing up to 5 terabytes of cloud storage per user. This setup is intentionally designed for businesses that require substantial storage solutions for their employees. There's another intriguing avenue for temporary storage: the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. By joining this program, it's possible to nab 5 terabyte of storage in what's considered a sandbox environment. However, remember, this storage is intended for development purposes and isn't meant for long-term personal use. Essentially, it's a workspace to explore and test in a real-world setting without the commitment to permanent storage allocation. So, there you have it. A few pathways to securing that ambitious 5 terabyte of OneDrive storage. Whether through a family plan, a business account, or a developer sandbox, each method comes with its considerations and requirements. Do keep in mind the nature of each of these options. Choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and circumstances. If you plan on managing large amounts of data, these strategies can work to your advantage, providing adequate space and flexibility for your storage demands.